Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about sum ifs, count if, and not sum if, count if. It is plural. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube page. If possible, hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I post a new video. We have already seen in my last session how sum if works. Today it's time for sum ifs. It is one step ahead. It has multiple categories for adding up. Now let's focus on this table. In one side, all the different brands are mentioned like Jack and Jones, Veramuda. In one side, there are different categories are mentioned. If I want to find out the total, I have to use sum ifs. If I want to find out the number, that is the number of bills maybe, I have to use count if. It is going to give me count. Let's see how sum if works. Equal to sum ifs. It is going to ask me some range. Some range is going to be sales because I want total of sales. It is going to ask me criteria range 1. Range 1 is going to be brands, where all brands are mentioned. And which brand? Jack and Jones, that is mentioned in J7. Now criteria 2 is going to be category for range. And which category? Case 6, that is shirts. Bracket close. So 729 is the value of shirts sold for Jack and Jones. Now I can't just drag and copy paste this formula. I need to freeze few cells. What I'm going to freeze is J. By putting dollar, I can freeze J. I have freeze J because all the brands are mentioned in J. Then I'm going to freeze 6. Why I have freeze 6? Because all different categories are mentioned in 6. Tab 729, the value. Now I can drag freely and copy paste the formula. Just to cross check, I can go into any of the cells and just check. J8, that is Veramoda, and L6, that is Spand. So the formula is copied absolutely correct. Now let's see how we can use count if. Equal to count if first criteria I'm going to select is again brands. Which brand? Jack and Jones, that is J7. Second criteria is going to be category for range, CAT. Which category? Shirts, that is again case 6. Now I'm going to add one more criteria to it, that is salesman. The salesman is mentioned in salesman column, comma, with salesman Sam, that is mentioned in H7, Sam, bracket close. So Sam has sold one shirt of Jack and Jones. Again, I have to freeze few cells to copy paste. I'm going to put a dollar and freeze J. Then I'm going to put a dollar in front of 6 and freeze 6 for category. In salesman, I'm going to put a dollar in front of H and freeze that tab. Now I'm ready to drag this formula to copy paste. So these are number of bills by each salesman for each brand. You can again go anywhere and cross check the formula whether it's correct or not. So LJ8, that is Veramoda, K6, that is shirts, and H8, that is Danish. So the formula is working absolutely fine. That's it for me for today. This is how sum ifs and count ifs work. I hope you have learned something new today, and goodbye till next session. Thank you so much.